everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open the Scratch. Just type the browser name at the Scratch 2.0. You will get Scratch 2.0/Scratch. Click on that. So you will get create option. Click on that. If you want to create, press this only. Yeah. So let's go. Mine is my project is to to egg catch egg. Just an egg. You can choose an egg first. Let's choose an egg. It's a blue sky. Blue sky. Blue sky. Next, what we have to do is we have to delete this part. Now, love, lion. Yeah. So it's big enough for fitting the catcher. So let's shrink it that much. I think it's enough. Yeah, this one is. So let's reduce right at the center. The y should be -150. Minus 150. 150 is so let's go to the code and let's paint this white. Let's choose the color black. Color also saturation. Yeah. Let's just that is the whole clock. Super big, super big, big. Yeah. Then we have to paint this. Now we have to create this. Increase the size. Now the rectangle. Rectangle. Yeah, we don't need rectangle because there's no needs of rectangle. So let's erase it. Or delete it. Whatever. Yeah, let's delete this. I don't know the delete option, but we can do like this. I know. So here it is. Yeah. Completed, and now what should we do is we have to paint this lines. Oh, that's big enough. Plus, we need 4. High enough. One more extra. Extra. Set one more. Now let's fill. That will. So this. Yeah. Now we have to go to the paint. This here. So okay, our bomb is ready. Okay, so let's go to the codes. Now we have to choose an egg. Sure. I think it's somewhere over here, something over here. Let's hatching is ready. So let's start our codings. Here, let's start with line. Yeah. The events. when green click is clicked, because when this is clicked, we will automatically get out from the motion. It looks everything in the controls. So forever, if that touching, not touching, is key space. If key space is clicked, change X by 10. I mean right arrow. See, think it goes right. Now, if we duplicate this, uh, now let's keep minus 10. And this is left arrow and down. The codings are done for this line. Yeah, line is done. Now let's go to the bottom. Go go to the events. Clicked forever, 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 forever. Change y by minus y. Oh, it come down. It will keep, but it's stuck over here. So let's keep it up and keep let's keep it up and go to this if then yes, touching touching maybe go to operators. Yes, it will be less than this. So y position. Yep, great. So it should come place to place and up again, up again, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. So what should we do is, is which to be so random position set by 118 set by variable. Now see, it's come down. See, it come down straightly like this because it's stuck over here. So if it's stuck, we have to do something. That means if it's stuck over here, it should come my so so next it's we have to set minus 180. See, so right over here. If minus I want to change this. So you have to set y2 to minus 180. I mean because this line that's not fair. Yeah, that's not fair. This is my creation. That's why it's not. So it will come. It should come over here and here. So what should I do is what should I do is that so if the personality is good, that I can do anything myself. So 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 the bottom this should come over here down 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 down. So what should we do is, is what then what should we do is so we have to buy 170 into the random position. It will come back where I have it. So you have to catch. So next we have to catch it. What we should do is next we have to catch it. Okay. Then Now we forgot to do minus 170 because this will come down, 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 down. So it is minus 150. See, strictly comes down the line. So no need to worry. You have to keep it over here. And, here now. Now we have to go. Now we have to do what is. Now we have to do the what we have to do is the bomb should touch the line. The bomb should touch the line, and all should be stopped together. So what I will do is I'll just minus this. I click this green flag. Go to forever. What if done? Sensing, touching the line, and next we have to stop. We have to stop. So here is the block of stop. Or and we have to give us sound as let's go to the sound. Just la. It is good. I don't know. I think a bonk is enough. Bonk. Yeah, bonk is enough. Yeah, bonk is enough. And then now we have to start the bonk sound. It's done. So now we will duplicate this. Yeah, it's stopping all. See? Stop. Stop. It will stop for 5 seconds as you can. It will stop it to minus 104. Minus 104. Minus 104. So it will be some time to stop this. So we'll do start. So you have to stop all because the odd should be right. So we will the same one is duplicate this events, click the green flag, and let's keep to the hatching. We'll get this. Now let's delete this. Now if for this hatching, no need of delete that because whatever, because the hatching will become over here, here, here. So if the line over here and next what we should do is go to control, if then touching the line, next go to the motion and no need of motion, and we have to go to the line of place. Yeah, so I will just keep it over here, set y by 180, 80, go to the line of motion. See, it's easy. And let's try it now. No need of scroll. It's easy to do with a scroll. Yeah, go to the line variables. Scroll. Scroll. Okay. So we'll get the scroll.